to my video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you a website of Google to draw. So guys, this is the website AutoDraw. You can click the first link. You can also use this on your desktop or your mobile. So I'm going to explain you how it works. So guys, it use the AI. If you want to draw something, for example, right over here I will make a house. Let's see. You can see over here it comes suggestions on top. I will take this. If you want to move the image, you can select over here and you can move the image, and you can see the option right over here for text. If you want to add a text, you can just simply put the text as well, and just you can simply move this text, and you can change the color over here. And if you want, you can draw, you can see 4 size, and if you want to zoom, you can see the option 100, 150, 200, 5 and 300. You can zoom and zoom out. If you want to undo, you can select over here, it will go. And guys, let's continue some draw. I will make a cloud over here. I don't know if this looks nice or not. Okay, I select a cloud over here, and text, color, and you can see over here you can also select your page size right over here if you want. And when you finish your project, you can see over here to download. It is for free. You can download for free. You can also see the size over here, right over here. If I'm going to make this, it will like make a bigger size over here. So undo. So guys, that's all in this video. There's nothing more special about this website. If you want to just entertainment yourself, if you want to like to drawing, you can definitely check out this website. So guys, that's all in this website. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching.